Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your Compass application is not working on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over and open settings. You gotta scroll down till you find the option of privacy and security. Click on it and then you gotta click on location services and make sure that location services are toggled on. Next, you gotta scroll down and you can find the Compass application. So you can click on it and then make sure that you have set it while using the application. Now you gotta open your Compass app and move your iPhone in a figure 8 motion to recalibrate the sensor. Also, you gotta make sure Compass calibration is enabled. To do that, you gotta head over back to settings, go to location services, scroll down to the bottom and click on system services. Here, you're going to make sure that Compass calibration button is toggled on. If it still doesn't work, then remove any magnetic phone case or nearby magnets because they can interfere with the Compass sensor. Finally, you can restart your iPhone, and if that still doesn't work, then you can update your iOS by going to General, and then you can simply click on Software Update and update your iOS to the latest version. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.